I'm gonna just do I need to power shuffle? Nah, fuck that shit, bro. No power shuffle. Alright, don't break me too hard, alright? I worked against Quan game one, bro. My soul hurts. My soul hurts. Alright, let's go. He said high roll good, right? Let's do it. Let's do it. A run. I got a 7. Oh, you didn't cut. Here. 6. Oof. Alright, I'll go first one. But semi? Main phase. Activate my friend. My friend effect, I'll pay 5. I'm gonna just reveal through this. That's okay. Activate. We are gonna go sleepy effect. Thinking on discard here. That's good. Purrely effect. Normal summon effect.
This is a special for hand, right?
Which one?
This one?
Yeah, they all do. They all do. As long as I discard. Oh, the whiff sucks. I'm gonna go Purrely effect. Target. It's gonna upgrade. Activate. Chain. I'll set this. Just give me a nice cut real quick. Appreciate you. New chain? Oh, not new chain, sorry. It's still in this chain. I'll target this, so it can be destroyed by battle to next turn. Doesn't really matter. A discard. Special. See how I discarded the Ash? You're gonna fusion Destiny, bro. I just know it. It's gonna be crazy. Effect?
Is that once per turn?
Nah.
Can I see it?
Yeah. It's a soft once per turn. It's like per copy.
I know it's not.
Alright, good. Alright, cool. Oh my god, I suck at this game, yo.
Response? Searching.
Where's the sprite effect?
That's your mill, right?
It's gonna mill 1, and if it's a spell trap, I get to add it. If it's a monster, it goes to grave. Ah, there's nothing. Bro. End phase, I'll activate target.
Activate his effect again. Search.
I'll put a sleepy under it, and then go ahead.
Increase.
Yep.
Stand by.
Draw 1.
Touch summon. Search.
Draw 1. I'll activate the target. Draw 1. And I'll draw 1. Go ahead.
Click down.
Stand by. Draw phase, stand by. Main phase one.
Yeah.
Anything?
No. This is when you kaiju me. I'm like, ah.
Does it do anything else?
So if you activate a monster effect, I instantly win the game. Nah, it doesn't do anything on my turn. On your turn. I don't think. Actually, sure. Nah, yeah. Don't do anything on your turn.
Response.
Can I see the
Field spell. So this turn,
Yeah.
anytime I special summon a Purrely monster, it can't be targeted. So this can't be targeted right now. It's unaffected anyway since it has 5. But once it doesn't have 5 anymore, it can't be targeted. And if this were to be removed by a card effect, I get to special summon a Purrely or Purrely from my grave or deck, and you know the other effect to attach. So that's really it.
That's it.
Yeah,
Response to link?
that's I can discard two, not discard two, detach two, quick effect, and I can shuffle back a card from your graveyard or field. It puts it back to the bottom of the deck, and it's a quick effect as long as I have the level one in, attached to it.
Reveal this to you?
Start.
Fusion Destiny. Here it lives. Yeah, that's good.
Reveal? I'm going to
I'm at 75 right now.
Oh,
Yeah, Hero Lives is good.
use my
It
hand.
shouldn't be, but it's good.
Up to act.
Yeah, man, good player.
And I'm going to activate Ollie.
Resolution Ledge roll.
Response?
Oh, adding Stratos. Oh no. Oh, actually no, that's actually really good. Oh god, he's trying to do some crazy shit.
Does this do anything that I might do?
Your favorite
Yes.
contact from my hand.
So same thing. If this were to get removed, instead of special summoning, I can target 3 quick plays in my grave, and then add it back to hand. It has to be 3 different names though.
Guess
Add your favorite contact to my hand. Oh. Did I accidentally? Well, now that card's gonna be gone forever
Use
because
a destiny.
I accidentally put
This guy's
the
crazy.
card I had.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Thank God. I thought you had
By accident. It is what it is. Oh no. Yeah, it is my fault.
Yep.
I'm gonna activate his
Okay.
effect. Tribute him. Special summon. Max your deck. There's no summoning conditions. Can I activate his effect?
Should double sleep with these things swap up.
Yeah.
You should probably get the Dragon Tail one, so. I think Chris has it too.
Thinking on resolution,
Um,
I'm gonna go into War Effect.
activate Malicious Bane effect. Banish Malicious Bane. Special summon in one.
I'll target the malicious. It's gonna go to the bottom of the deck.
I can take the graveyard too. Is it?
Yep.
God damn.
And I'm going to
That's it
Link
though?
summon.
Damn, that's crazy.
It's good. It's a good card.
Bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Standstill.
We
It
getting
was like a standstill on this side of the board. It was like Overwatch.
Like you getting trampled over.
Wait, you just
Talking about
did it.
standstill, this motherfucker walking over you right now.
Add a card to my hand.
Effect to
That card is going
It
destroy back up.
it doesn't target, right? And how many is it 2 right now or is it 1?
Yeah, it's 2.
Okay. I'll chain.
God.
I'll target.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
To
Yep.
It's gonna bottom of deck, yeah.
activate DPS
I'm
effect.
gonna end my turn.
Yep.
Popping himself.
Pretty
You
good.
can't pop this
Draw
off.
face.
I mean, it can be targeted now, so it's really up to you.
It can be.
Yeah, because well, it doesn't target anyway, so it can be it's affected. That's what I'm saying.
To
So I
activate
can pop it.
Mhm.
favorite contact.
That's right. So pop that.
Yep.
Activate
New chain. So this would get destroyed first, and then right. Hold on, let me think. Right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Effect is good.
Activate DPS effect.
Yep.
Come back. Set 1.
And
And
I get to special summon
that's at how much?
18. 18.
attack position.
Pass.
Show for turn.
Draw. Standby.
Yep. Main phase. Effect. To mill one.
They don't have that same effect, right?
God damn
What does that
it.
do again?
So main phase.
I'm getting targeted.
1, 2.
Add it to your hand, right?
Okay.
I'm going to
I'm gonna activate the field spell.
Thinking of activation.
Sure.
Did he? Oh, okay.
Activate DPS effect.
It doesn't target. Remember, it doesn't target. I just want to let you know that because I don't want to. I don't want you to keep doing that. Thinking in response, I'm gonna chain happy. Doesn't target for cost, so happy effect is good. So I'll target. Then I gotta discard. Actually, do I want to? Yeah, I do. I think I misplay. It is what it is. Yeah, it was a misplay. Okay. Knee chain. That resolves. hmm
Pop or no?
You can, you can attempt to pop it.
It doesn't pop it? I'm sorry, my
No,
bad.
you're good. So I went happy. I targeted this, so it's not gonna get destroyed. For once per until the end of your turn, it's not gonna get destroyed.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
my bad.
you're good. You're good.
I thought you expected to send my face comeback.
Yeah. Purrely effect, mill three. Bro, I gotta not hit this card, bro. That's horrible. Anything on res?
Yeah, I did the X-ray.
Cool. So how many cards in it?
3.
Three. I'm gonna go Eep effect. So I can manage to target 3 Purrely monsters in my grave and shuffle it back. I'll just target these 3, okay?
Sends both of them to the graveyard and then special summon a level 7 or higher normal.
Cards in it? Yeah, 2, 3. Okay.
Then it lets you draw.
So they would both of them,
No, no, it just shuffles it up. Just shuffles it back.
Ready?
and then I would special summon
I'm gonna triple attack to draw 2. You wanna cut real quick? My bad. Oh, just give me something good, bro. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry. You tried. I'm sorry. You can't book and win this.
Oh, yeah, you can't
Yeah, I
target.
can't target. I think I can possibly game it. Oh yeah, I can game it. I'll go Purrely effect to upgrade.
So,
summon Stratos.
yeah, Stratos is effective search. Add to my hand.
Alright, and just in case you have something crazy, I'm gonna go normal summon effect. Activate my friend.
This shit would've came out here. Wow, that's a card.
Enter battle.
If people didn't expect it,
So you're gonna take 200. This is gonna be game unless you really do got something. I'll go happiness effect. It's gonna search and it's gonna reduce this. So it's gonna happen. It's gonna be at 900.
Ignore.
Oh, it's not game. Oh my god, I keep doing that. It's not game, bro. Why am I such a bad player?
So it gets a
Yeah, this is gonna happen.
Rage's effect.
Thank you for that.
You
Yeah.
get to get this card,
Oh, yeah,
graveyard,
that's kind of
land,
crazy,
or
but not
deck,
that crazy. I just
or
want to
manage.
know.
Add to my hand.
Because if I would've,
Oh, this time.
And then I'm just gonna attack from this one. Can be booked. Oh, you can book this if you want to. Oh, you're gonna book that? Oh, okay.
Gains 300 attack.
Attack.
Every monster in my graveyard.
Effect.
Not hero monster. Monster. 3, 4, 7, 8.
Main phase 2.
Times
I'm gonna go Purrely effect to upgrade.
2400. So
I'm gonna target the delicious. I completely forgot how the delicious is great, bro. It's crazy.
yeah, I just jinxed the shit out of my.
So,
Should have done this earlier.
going to attack
I'll go
the slice.
Flump effect to attach to.
He's gonna deal whatever 55 minus 2000, which is 2500. But he's effective. Every time he battles you, he destroys that monster. That monster
Activate.
attack,
And I'll chain.
your monster attack is dealt to you, so he's gonna deal another 2000 to you.
I'm thinking about wanna
2000.
upgrade here. I think I will. Send.
50,000. 55. It's gonna be 55.
Said, cool.
How much do you have left? 25. Okay. I'm going to attack you directly with Infernal Rage for 2100.
Purrely effect.
Yep. Search him.
Activate return the Dragon Lord.
Yep.
Special summon Neutralize from the deck.
1 second.
Not that graveyard.
It's
How do you make
don't
it
worry.
beat?
With
okay.
this.
You had
Got this.
Oh yeah, my bad.
Yeah, you're
I'm
good.
going to chain to that though. I'm going to activate favorite contact. I'm going to be adding this card to my deck. Actually,
I'm gonna go Noir effect.
this card to my deck.
I'm gonna target your DP.
Add it back to my deck.
Shuffles. Yeah.
Number
I'm gonna go end phase. Street target.
And then I'm going to be special summoning. Oh wait. Yeah, I guess. I'm going to be special summoning.
Go ahead.
Face of attack
Draw.
champ.
Standby.
And he gains
Draw one.
300
Draw one.
attack for every
Draw one.
hero monster that was used
You're good to continue, man.
Yes, 1200 extra.
Yes, yeah. 1200 extra. So he gets that 2,500.
Yep.
I figured you wasn't using it. I shuffle back. Literally. Yeah.
Word, right?
To make my deck.
That's a what? A monster?
Yeah, no, but dude,
For these two cans, this is not cannot be destroyed by a laser artifact.
I'll just imprint that. I had to withdraw the ash eventually, bro. Am I even attacking to them? Oh, never mind. Alright. He said, nah, draw. Standby? Main phase.
Activate his effect. Can you just read the entire effect?
Can I can just game here, right?
By
Yeah, I'll just go effect.
by
I'll just,
send to the graveyard.
enter battle, attack. Just game. For sure.
To the field.
Oh yeah. Get him with a shoulder flip and he's probably I would have just sat on the couch over there. You go, man.
I'm gonna summon.
Take your time. Get fancy with it. Get fancy with it. Good. This is Roger special, right?
Question: if you just special summon Stratus, can you activate his effect on your opponent's turn?
That's on you, bro. I don't know what it.
It says when this card is normal summon and special summon, you can activate. Oh no, I have to activate one of those effects. It's not activated off summon. Alright, we're good.
Is that true? I don't know. You know heroes, bro.
It's not activated on summon. I'm learning.
I thought it was on something. I thought it was.
You have to activate one of the.
Can I read it?
Oh my Lanta, bro.
You can activate one of these effects.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, but you have to no way it's like that, right?
Yo, if you special and Stratos on your opponent's turn, can you activate his effect?
No, okay.
I was about to say, it literally says on summon, activate.
Okay,
Then why did you say anything, bro?
Yeah, he's like making me confused. I'm like,
because you doing wake ups, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
He said, why Stratos?
Because I already have I drew into this. Oh wait, sorry. Actually, you know what? Why Stratos? I thought I drew. You know what? It's crazy. It's bugging. I thought I drew that. That was like my last 30 games ago. Actually, no. Oh, I did draw it.
Now you're making him think, bro. It's crazy.
Cool. I'm gonna add this card to my hand.
I think those cards are kind of decent against you.
He's good at this.
Yep.
Attack your
Infernal Rage.
you take 900.
Okay.
And then also attack your Stratos as well.
Okay. Yeah. So you're gonna be able to survive if I attack you?
Most likely not, since yours is a.
Yeah. No, I know. I'm saying my turn. I'm just gonna go.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty.
Oh, I can't do that anymore. Fuck.
Uh,
I hate siding with this deck, bro.
battle phase. Attack.
How much attack again?
It's like 5,000 something. Okay.
I was trying to use it on something else, but whatever.
You burn him.
Huh?
You burn him.
What? I burned him down, but the game's over. We don't have to have like 20,000 other effects. I already like.
You heard him, bro. He's the master, bro. It's like, don't disrespect bro like that. Don't disrespect bro.
I never special summoned Stratos on my opponent's turn, so I was like, Is that?
Actually, I think I need to side these. For some reason, I just know you're gonna side some crazy shit. Actually, no, you can't, bro.
You just sided 3 imperms, 3 D barriers, 3 rivalry, 3 nib. Yeah. In fact, he's not even running heroes anymore. He just sided all his heroes.
45 cards, but
You hate 45 cards?
well, double sleeve. This shit is impossible.
Oh yeah, it's fucking. In my opinion, double sleeving looks kind of gross.
I agree.
If you use the right sleeve, like outer sleeve, just like
I guess we'll start with
Yeah? I don't know, man. Are those outer sleeves? And look how gross that looks, dude. His deck looks like it's like an 80 card deck right now.
Hey, don't.
Yeah. No, I'm not like it's
You can,
so
don't disrespect Mans, but he's about to pop off on me, bro.
I think it's probably just like size.
one for
I got it.
one
Yep,
for set.
I did.
Bro, man, bro.
Alright,
That's what you said to me too before you absolutely demolished me with
I don't know what happened, bro.
Yeah, go for it.
You good to go.
Anything else?
You good. You good to go. You wish I had a draw. Actually, you wish I did have a draw. Imagine I just draw. Be crazy.
level summon the White Stone of Legend.
Yeah, I can never draw my hand traps for some reason, bro. My deck hates me. Yep. Like I just do you, bro. It's just too fast. That's all I ask.
I'm gonna draw. You can add it to your hand. You can't add any more cards from your deck to your hand.
Besides strong,
Special
right?
deck.
Besides, no, just main deck to hand. That means your main deck cannot. It says main deck to hand.
Okay, so problem.
God damn it, bro.
So you can add cards from your graveyard to your hand, but not your deck to your hand. And if there's a way to add extra deck cards to your hand, you can do that too, but that's not allowed. Just imagine having to draw your fusion cards to actually do the fusion summon. Like,
Ritual monsters.
You hate to see it.
yeah, I know, but fusions.
Absolutely ritual monsters.
No, but fusions used to be like that. Like when Yu-Gi-Oh first came out, all your cards were in one deck. You could have like 9. There was no deck limit.
Oh, yeah.
You could have 1,000 cards in your deck if you wanted to.
Your turn.
Like that tournament, back in like 1200.
Oh, like,
No. I had my turn. I did pretty bad.
Oh, okay.
You get a turn. I might lose because I burnt to the yard.
Draw.
I like
I actually did. I'll use Harpy Feather.
Wowzers. Dude, how do you always draw Harpy? Do you have 3?
No, only one.
It feels like, imagine literally always drawing Harpy. I played against him like 4 times, like 2 times today. Drew Harpy twice already. This is the 4th time he's drawn Harpy against me.
Draw 2 cards.
Should you add
Yeah.
mirror?
That's
Yep.
just insane. Damn. Cool.
Miracle's effect is good.
I wish
Yeah.
I had that luck.
Activate Bingo Machine Go.
Yep.
You get to pop off right now. You get to show the power of the blue eyes.
I have Blue Eyes.
No, it should have been like, oh, auto ad.
Oh,
Hey, spray.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a pyro monster?
Yeah, it was from the Magal.
These two.
Yep.
Pick one.
Did you affect to draw yet?
I'm glad to do it.
Okay.
I think you're supposed to show me
Then
that.
draw 2 this one.
What the fuck? Okay.
Okay, no, don't worry about it.
Oh no, I'm supposed to show you the
Well, you showed me the 3 cards you put already. I'm not supposed to know the card I chose.
Oh, okay. I thought we
Chalice?
I just read
Sure.
like
Ooh, good discard. Yeah.
I don't. Oh, Master Duel? Okay, so then, yeah, yes, Master Duel knows best. Master Duel knows best.
Deactivate Dictator of Blue's effect. Special summon this card by sending a Blue Eyes from your deck to grave.
This guy's about to pop off. If you don't summon Chaos Magician Max Blue Eyes Forever 17 million damage dragon, something's wrong with you.
Circle wheels.
Yeah. Last time, my brother.
I don't know how, but
He knows the
guess we'll
fucking
see.
deck. He's not fucking. This guy is attached. He ain't like, nope. Yep.
See what I can't.
What about these 2?
Yep.
Special summon.
Under?
Uh-huh.
Normal summon. White Stone of Ancients. Link 3.
Using wrestling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2.
Okay.
you mentioned the 17 million infinite attack dragon, ultimate fusion. I shuffle all three blue eyes from my grave into my deck. Hey, did you see the Dark Side of Dimensions movie yet?
Yeah.
There's a very particular card that spawns up. And, kind of reminds me of one of your hero cards. It starts with an N, but I forget the other words. Something ultimate, something, I don't know.
I wouldn't know, man.
Oh yeah, I remember. Neo Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, go.
Neos?
Neo Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon, here he is. And now his effect is going to activate.
Let me see. What?
I'm going to kill this man right now.
Okay, cool. Let's get it. Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go next one.
Okay. I'm surprised it actually worked.
Well, I didn't have any cards in my hand. I drew pretty bad.
I kind of thought you would have at least a hand trap or something that stopped your
I
attack.
had no hand traps besides drool to stop you for one turn. And it all mattered when my next draw was, and I didn't draw Stratos. Or Hero Lives. Or Emergency Call, which is basically like running 7 Stratoses. But you know, woe is me. Imagine having 7 cards in your deck that do the same thing. Yeah, man. I go
had to
first.
get cook. I had to get cook. Mind you,
Step 1.
all 3 of these guys. Where the fuck was my empty score?
Hit me here.
Where the fuck was you at? There. There. What would have been lit too?
Activate DPS like this.
She
Back
was
up. Copy itself and where's the 2? Then DPS effect, wake ups effect.
What does it do?
It gets destroyed, so it's something that will What's up, man? What happened? Effect 2, standby grade.
That would have been the game.
Can mass change targeted? Can mass change target phase on
I
monsters?
think we. Oh, we did.
Did you ever send it out?
No, of course. I have them in my.
No, you sent out the chimera, you sent out this card, Emperor Charlie Ray. Because if you did, that would make sense why we had 5.
Oh no, yeah. I did send them out. I thought you meant like we had 8 in there and we only had 5 in the computer.
Oh no.
No,
This
yeah,
guy,
of course we sent. Huh?
this guy had the nuts,
You have
bro.
8 in the binder
Yes.
and 5 in the computer.
Whoa, what is this? Woo, broken.
No, I added more. Did you not add it? No, when I was getting. No, when we were looking through the duelist box, I added extra, not from the first day. John, stand
Sure you sent it out though.
No, yeah, I'm positive.
So is this it's like skill drained right now, right? So like, his effect is like negated, like I can activate it.
You activate and negates it.
But isn't it under this? He said, oh no. He said, oh no.
That hurt. That motherfucker.
We're gonna go draw phase.
Sorry if I checked my phone a little bit too much. I'm just trying to check some of the next box so I can visit.
Aaron, come on, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, big.
Stupid.
Huh?
I didn't open anti-spell game 3.
Oh, you hate to see it, yo.
You know how that goes.
Yeah, that shit hurts, bro.
Alright. No, so the Stratos.
Yep.
Aspiration.
Main,
Aspiration.
main phase?
Your turn. How many effect millers you got in there? 2? How many
Okay.
hack losses you got in there? You have 1?
Yo, you're so funny, bro. Can I see these defense real quick?
Hey, sorry.
19, 15, okay.
That's crazy.
My friend
no
effect?
way you keep drawing Harpies Feather though.
I'll pay 5.
Yo, he's drawing Harpy Feather stuff.
I'm just gonna show 3 of this, okay?
How are you drawing this? Yo, man. You got more than 1 Harpy Feather yesterday, man.
Whenever this is sent to grave at all, it searches.
Yo,
Okay. Even by like attack and all that.
You draw Harpies?
I sent one blue eye from the hand. To some sort of dictator of the defense position.
Yeah, man. Go off, man.
Activate secret.
Activate? has. Let's use this.
Harpies. Effect failure.
To what?
Purrely effect.
No, he's just saying like you could chain it. You feel me? Like if you wanted to go after the set, you could have.
Can you just give me a cut real quick? Effect.
I was sitting there thinking like, what the fuck is that answer to?
Yeah.
After the
Alright. So right here, you can't like draw into spells, right? You gotta drop them off.
normal summon. Response.
You can add them.
Effects. Special summon. Effects.
Yep.
No, do it again. Now it's over.
Yeah, probably.
No more being easy on you, buddy.
Most likely.
So,
I mean, I'm surprised they didn't win the last round.
hey man, it happens. Everyone gets to win sometimes, even me.
Oh, I should have done that first. So is it popping these two?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was gonna die.
Oh yeah, I should have done that first. I'm horrible at this game. Oh, now I gotta play it weird. Oh, I hate you, bro.
And the Kemi board, I got extra.
What? Oh, that's actually kind of funny. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna activate pretty.
The mirror mag. Oh no, it's not the mirror mag.
Increase effect? Response?
I play cat. Nigga, still have
I told you Mr. Cat, but you ain't early today.
Effect. I'll target. Now I gotta play it weird. Can it be targeted or anything like that?
Yeah, you can be targeted. You can be targeted, but can't be destroyed by flying grapes.
Okay. It's alright, man. It happens sometimes, bro. Battle. Attack. He's at 19, right?
Can I max change it or not?
Can you what?
Can I max change it?
No, because it's gonna hit grave before anything else.
Yeah,
Cause like I'm just attacking it and then it just hits grave.
yeah, but when it flip face up and then
No, because I actually don't know, dude. So attacking with happiness, right? This is gonna flip face up, but he can't chain like mass change on anything crazy, right? Okay. So new chain will go effect. Or end of damage off effect. I'll reduce it. It's gonna be at.
he's big.
Yeah, he's gonna be 1550. I'm halving it.
Plus 300 for every monster in his graveyard.
3,
Yeah, every monster, hero monster to clarify.
15, 18,
Alright.
21,
I'm going to
26, 42.
So how much?
He's at 42.
He's gonna gain.
So you had.
He's gaining 42.
Yeah.
42. So he's at 70, 73. He's at 73. So reducing that 73, he's gonna be at 70. No, he's gonna be at
Half.
yeah, half of 73. What is that?
My man's got a whole calculator and a phone sitting there trying to do mental math.
36.5.
36. 36. So I think it rounds up. So it would be 37.
Your favorite content?
So 37. Okay, so then 37 divided by 2 is what? 18. Okay, that's good. Effect. So I'm halving it. Then I'm adding.
One already?
Nah, I lost it.
This is a tiebreaker. That's surprising.
You got this, bro. Believe. You're Kaiba.
Believe. You're
Activate.
Kuba. And I'm going to
And I'll chain. I'm gonna bounce this back to hand as well.
summon this.
And I'll target that. So it can't be destroyed by battle this turn.
Sunriser.
It's just staying on field. It just can't be destroyed by battle this turn. Right, did I already add? I did, right? Okay. Attack. So I get priority. So it'll be end of damage type effect. I'm gonna reduce it. He's gonna be at 18.
Is that ultimate too?
No. 1850. So he's gonna be at 19. And yeah, that effect. I gotta resolve.
Oh, happiness permanent.
Yeah, he's at like 950.
So you can half and half?
Yep.
Oh, it's cool.
Ah, you got that
Yeah,
whatever
I don't
time
think
there.
I
got it.
Turbo.